Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cam. Today I'm going to show you how to make L.A.B to feed your orchids with the homemade fertilizer. Now L.A.B is made with two ingredients. One is milk, any kind of milk would work, and two is rice water. Now this rice water I collected since yesterday. Many people say you have to wait for until the rice water fermented for about a few days until it turns into a little bit of a sweet smell. But I've done it where I could just use rice water straight up, okay, where you don't need to ferment it. It will ferment it along with the milk, and you're still gonna get the L.A.B. This milk here, it's already spent. I collected from milk that my daughter didn't finish. She's only 18 months old, so sometimes we pour too much milk and she couldn't finish, and I just collected here. And as you can see, some actions already started with this milk. It means it's already gone bad. Can you still use it? Yes. Now, if you use store-bought milk where it's been refrigerated, it is recommended that you leave it out in room temperature for about a few hours so that it can reach about room temperature. Now, most people recommended 1/10 of rice water for the milk ratio. I've done it where I could use as much as rice water and as much as milk. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so here I don't want to waste the milk and I don't want to waste rice water. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split the milk into half. This is about half, and I'm going to put half of the rice water in one container and the other half in the other one container. Alrighty, so after this, you want to cover it up with some kind of breathable cloth or paper towel. I have here is a paper towel, and all you do is cover it up and tie it with some kind of rubber band. I'll do this one after. You will need to wait a few days when you see a separation of the curd and also the water. So what you want is collect the one in the middle, which is the clear water. That's the L.A.B that you want. I will show you guys in a few days how to collect it, and we'll see you in a few days. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will strain the L.A.B that we made a couple days ago. This is how it should look like. You have one layer here. The clear water is what you need. The top layer is the curd, which is also known as the cheese. You guys want to know how to make cheese? This is how you want to make it. So both my container here are ready. You see the bottom there and all that. So we're gonna strain it with a strainer. Now you do need to take out the top part of it in order to strain it, okay? But I find it easier, just pour the solution out into a strainer and try not to pour this thing into the strainer, okay? So keep the curd into the container and we're gonna pour it into a strainer. I have a strainer here. You can use any strainer you want. It's kind of windy here, so you guys hear a lot of wind blowing. We have a wind advisory here and I'm recording this outdoor, so a lot of wind. So I'm gonna pour this straight in here. I'm gonna try to keep this curd right here floating on top, and I'm just gonna pour it down. And that's all you're gonna need. There's some in there. The bottom one, I try not to keep it. I'm just gonna feed it to my compost or my soil, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. You don't want to have any solid material. I made a lot, so it's okay if I don't get everything. I think that's it. I'm just gonna move this together in one cup and stack it up. All right, guys, there you have it. This is L.A.B. Now you can use this for your orchid on a weekly basis. Just feed it. It is made with rice water and milk. Therefore, there's a lot of nutrients that your orchid can use, and also there's a lot of beneficial bacteria that would help for your orchids to grow. This solution here can apply directly along with your fertilizers, or just by itself, you can use it. It helps to boost the good bacteria for your orchid so that they have balance with the bad bacteria. And so this is what I use to feed my orchid on a weekly basis. And so I do make a lot of this, and you want to store this in a refrigerator. It is good for up to 6 weeks. If you want to store it for up to 1 year, you will need to add a lot of brown sugar to stop any activities. Okay, there you have it, guys. This is L.A.B. This is how you're gonna make L.A.B. If you guys don't know how to make L.A.B, after watching this video, I'm sure you are confident enough to make your own L.A.B. Thank you guys for coming. If you find this video any of values, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video with your friends. Once again, thank you. Have a nice day.